In the Bono East region, some residents of Techiman are worried about a recent announcement by the Ghana Health Service indicating that the Bono East region is one of the 3 regions emerging as COVID-19 hotspots across the country. They want authorities, especially the security agencies, to intensify the adherence to the safety protocols as part of measures to help curb the spread of the pandemic. There's more in the following report by Anas Sabit.
Well, the Ghana Health Service recently announced that the Bono East region is one of 3 regions that are currently hotspots for COVID-19. This afternoon, we are hitting the streets of Techiman, the Bono East regional capital, to inquire from the residents here what they make of this worrying situation. We want to speak with them and have their take on what they feel about this particular announcement.
I am deeply worried because this is quite more or less quite an elusive kind of thing. We hardly see the disease coming. So if we see that there's widespread variation of the social protocols, it gives room for concern. So I'm deeply worried. So let me use your credible medium to appeal to all and sundry that if we try to observe these protocols, obviously it will inure to our benefit, and it will even impact positively on the local economy and also the national economy as a whole.
Yes, I'm very worried that Bono East is one of the hotspots in this pandemic disease. I think people are not adhering to the protocols of late because people don't put on the nose masks of late and they don't do the hand washing. So henceforth, or going forward, they should practice the hand washing and be putting on the nose masks.
Yes, my brother, I read the news online myself, and it's a worrying trend. I was very worried when I saw that news. Techiman has been a major transit point between the north and then the south. That I think is one of the major contributing factors. So now that it's being the major area that is being affected by the COVID situation, I think it's a worrying trend for us in the Bono East, not just Techiman, but Bono East as a whole.
Whilst these people here are worried at the current situation, they call on authorities, especially the security agencies, to intensify their enforcement of the COVID-19 protocols to help reduce the spread of the pandemic within this area.
What I'm saying is that it's like the security service should enforce the people just to obey the procedure that should be put in place. I think that's my suggestion.
So I think the security should also come in to enforce laws so that will help people put on the nose mask so that will bring down the disease.
I think the security service, they should also be up their game. Those times they got to the road, driving people to wear their masks, caning people, drawing their attention, sucking them from the street to go and put on masks before they come out. I think it contributed to its reduction in the COVID situation in Bono East. So I think that the security people should also come out again and then do what they were doing that resulted to the reduction of the COVID situation in Techiman and then in Bono East as a whole.
From the streets here in Techiman, in the Bono East region, my name is Anas Sabit, reporting for Joy News.